You just spent thousands of dollars on a brand new AC system. Maybe it is high efficiency. Maybe it has a variable speed motor. Maybe it is supposed to be top of the line. But your home still has hot rooms. The airflow still feels weak. The humidity still feels high, or the air just does not feel as clean as you expected. So what happened? Here is the part many homeowners do not realize. A new AC system can only perform as well as the ductwork it is connected to. I'm Agent Green with Air on Demand. And today we are talking about one of the most overlooked parts. Here in South Florida, your AC works almost year-round, between the heat, humidity, and older homes. When most homeowners think about replacing their AC, they focus on the equipment. But your ductwork is the delivery system. It is what moves air through your home. If the ductwork is leaking, damaged, undersized, or poorly sealed, newer systems are more advanced. But when they are connected to older ductwork, a crushed duct can restrict airflow. A disconnected duct can send cool air into the attic. A leaking return can pull in hot, humid air. That is why a new AC system does not always fix comfort problems. Sometimes it reveals them. Your system has two side supply ducts that push air into your home and return ducts that pull air back in. If either side has issues, it affects comfort, efficiency, and air quality. In fact, a significant amount of air can be lost through duct leaks before it ever reaches your rooms. And in South Florida, that also means more humidity inside your home. Another important concept is static pressure, which is basically how hard your system has to work to move air. If pressure is too high, your system works harder, airflow drops, and performance suffers. That is why proper duct design and airflow testing matter. Before replacing your AC system, ask, was the ductwork inspected? Will airflow be tested? Are there any leaks or restrictions? Here is your Agent Green tip. A new AC system does not automatically fix airflow problems. Sometimes it reveals the ductwork issues that were already there. I'm Agent Green with Air on Demand, helping South Florida homeowners stay comfortable and informed.